Hi guys, this is Haribabu. World biggest market in India, Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. Guntur Michi market rates today date 22 May 2025. Today Guntur all chili varieties and AC chili and non-AC chili varieties market rates. Watch this video. World biggest market ad in India. 23-24 chili varieties and non-AC and AC chili varieties. Today market price AC chili, AC dry chili, Teja chili variety, best plus, quality best plus. The chili price 40,000 rupees are going on in market in cold storage. AC chili, Teja best chili. Today price 40,000 rupees. AC chili, dry chili, AC chili. The chili variety Namdari number 5. Quality wise, best quality mirchi. Today price 11,500 rupees are sold out. Nandari dry chili, quality wise, best quality. Nandari number 5. The chili variety 341, non-AC chili, low medium. Today price 6,000 rupees are sold. Three for one dry chili, non-AC chili variety, 341 low medium. Today price 6,000 rupees are sold. Non-AC chili variety Armour, quality wise best quality. Today price 9,000 rupees are going on. Armour chili variety, quality wise best quality, 9,000 rupees are sold. Non-AC chili, chili variety Teja, non-AC chili, quality wise medium best mirchi, quality wise medium best mirchi. Today price 9,000 rupees are sold. Quality wise medium best chili variety Teja, non-AC chili. AC Teja chili variety Teja chili, dry chili, AC cold storage stock. Quality wise medium best. Quality wise medium best AC chili. Today price 12,800 rupees sold. The chili white chili Patkimale, Teja chili, white chili. Today price 6,500 rupees sold. Chili variety Teja, white chili Talu. Today price 6,500 rupees sold. The chili variety DD Devanur Deluxe non-AC chili last picking, non-AC chili last picking, DD Devanur Deluxe Kurnool, rain touch mirchi, rain touch is damaged. Today price 6,000 rupees sold, is damaged. Rain touch water spray non-AC. The chili variety 341 non-AC chili, quality wise medium best mirchi. Today market price 8,000 rupees sold. Non-AC chili 341 quality wise medium best mirchi. Today price 8,000 rupees. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel. Tomorrow meet my